Hi guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick comparison between the Google AI Studios versus their Firebase Studio. Let's go. Google AI Studio and Firebase Studio is both from Google, but they serve distinct purposes in AI app and development ecosystem. So Google AI Studio is a web-based platform focused on experimenting with generative AI models, especially Google's Gemini family. It excels at letting developers and creators prototype AI behavior, test prompts, explore model outputs, generate code snippets, and interact directly with APIs in a sandbox environment, making it ideal for AI research, prompt engineering, and lightweight prototype creation. In contrast with Firebase Studio, it is an AI-powered cloud-based integrated development environment, or the IDE, which is built around full-stack app creation. It combines a code OSS-based IDE with tight Firebase and Cloud or Google Cloud integration and uses Gemini AI Assistant to help you prototype, generate, debug, and deploy complete applications, including front end, back end, authentication, and database services, all from the browser. Its real strength lies in turning ideas into production ready apps with deep Firebase service support.